Turn in, decoding the phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the English language to understand the phrase, turn in. It's a common phrase you might have come across, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Turn in is a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts. At its most basic, it can mean submitting something. For example, I need to turn in my assignment. Now, let's see some examples to understand its diverse meanings. 1. Submitting work. 2. Have you turned in your homework yet? 3. The report needs to be turned in by Friday. 4. Going to bed. 5. I'm exhausted. I think I'll turn in early tonight. 6. It's past midnight. You should turn in. 7. Reporting someone. 8. If you see any suspicious activity, be sure to turn it in to the authorities. 9. He turned in his neighbor for stealing. While turn in is commonly used, it's also frequently misused. Here are some tips and common mistakes to watch out for. 1. Not to be confused with turn on. Turn on generally relates to activating something, like a light or machine. For example, turn on the TV. 2. Context matters. As we've seen, turn in can mean different things based on the context. Always ensure that the meaning is clear to the listener or reader. 3. Prepositions are key. The phrase, turn in, doesn't usually require another preposition. So, turn in your assignment to me is correct, but turn in your assignment into me is not. And there you have it. We've dissected the phrase, turn in, and I hope this sheds light on its usage. Remember, English is full of phrases that have multiple meanings. Understanding the context is crucial. Happy learning, and always keep turning those pages of knowledge. See you in the next video.